Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to make this beautiful hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to make this wig. It's just a quick wig using a crochet as the pattern. If you don't have a lace closure and you just want to make a simple easy hairstyle, this is the way to go. If you don't care so much about making a wig, you can do a sewing. Then when you get to the part, you can do a crochet. Doing this is actually amazing, and this is actually the first time I'm trying this crochet pattern style. So the hair I used to make this tutorial is from Trendy Beauty. I ended up using 4 whole bundles to achieve this style, and they're gonna send you a $10 coupon if you order this same hair. The hair is actually very beautiful and it's 24 inches. It's pretty long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have bundles and you don't have closure, I don't know how to go about it, this is actually the way to go about it. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so this is the dome cap I'll be using for this tutorial. I went ahead and drew a line. That line is going to be my guide. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I ended up using 4 bundles to achieve this style. So this is what a bundle looks like.
Driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California.
So right here I'm gonna go ahead and start making the U-part wig. I'm just gonna fast forward it because this particular video is based on the crochet part and not on how to make the U-part wig. If you want a video on that, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. So once I'm done with making the U-part wig, I'm gonna go ahead and sew it down on my hair. So right here you guys can see what I do is I just slide in my lash hook, and then I take a pieces of hair from the back of the hair. As you guys can see, I just believe that when you watch it you understand it better. So now I'm done with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the hair. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. See you guys very soon. Bye.
We're moving out of time. It's okay.
Chopsticks,
Girl, you got me so high, high. We're getting out of here. I've been dreaming about the Golden Coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change. We're driving state to state.